Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for all you musicians and podcasters out there, the Facmogu 4 PCS microphone head replacement grill. If you're looking to give your SM58 or similar microphone a fresh look and feel, this just might be the best grill replacement option on the market right now. Now, what makes this product stand out? Well, it's designed specifically for compatibility with SM58, SM58S, Beta 58, and Beta 58A microphones. Each grill is crafted with durable steel mesh and comes equipped with a built-in foam windscreen. This not only protects your microphone from dents and dings but also helps reduce wind, breath, and pop noises during recording. Let's talk about durability. These grills are built tough to withstand impacts and ensure your microphone's capsule stays safe and dry. Installing them is a breeze. Just unscrew your old grill and screw on the new one. It's like giving your microphone a brand new look without breaking the bank. From a user's perspective, these grills not only enhance the visual appeal of your mic but also offer practical benefits. Whether you're a gigging musician, a podcast host, or a studio engineer, having spare grills on hand is always a smart move. They're easy to clean and maintain, ensuring your equipment stays in top shape. Compared to other options on the market, the Facmogu grills strike a balance between affordability and quality. They've earned high praise for their precise fit and robust construction, making them a popular choice among professionals and amateurs alike. So, there you have it, folks, the Facmogu 4 PCS microphone head replacement grill. Whether you're refreshing your trusty SM58 or upgrading your Beta 58, these grills are a practical addition to your setup. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed reviews and tech insights. Until next time, keep creating and keep rocking.